Nate Shaw here with the Brooklyn Music Factory. We have made it to 2021, which, as we can all attest to, was not easy to do. I am here to give you basically a monthly update in the monthly beat about where we see Brooklyn Music Factory going in 2021. Because last year was not what we had intended, but it also brought about a whole bunch of really cool new opportunities, and we were so grateful to be able to serve like hundreds of families. I mean, I think we have 440 students online right now, which is just a total gift and blessing and amazing for us. So I want to just share 3 cool visions for 2021, let you know where we are right now, where we hope to be in 6 months. You know, things could change, and they probably will. But here, let me give you 3 things to look forward to. Number 1, and most importantly, we have just been incredibly energized by the online program and learning how to teach music online in a joyful way, in a purposeful way, i.e. building community, and using all of our games and using songwriting online. And we think that, honestly, we think Brooklyn Music Factory is one of the thought leaders in this worldwide. I think we're doing it in an incredible way, and that means that we're going to continue with our online school. That will absolutely stay in effect. So that could be a convenience factor. You could be a family that wants to absolutely come to Brooklyn in our new location, but you also want to maintain online lessons too. It's like you could be like that, or you could be one of our students somewhere around the world that's enrolled at BMF, and you want to know that we're going to continue the online school. Well, I promise you that BMF Online will continue for years to come. So 2021 will only get better online. Number 2, we are absolutely opening a Brooklyn location. That is our 100% intent. We started looking in September for a location. We've looked at dozens of locations actually already. And we have a few that we're super excited by right now. So you can you can just stay tuned and get super excited, because whether or not you're in Brooklyn, there will be a new BMF Brooklyn, and it will have an amazing community room. It will have a main stage with tons of live events on it and concerts and songwriting parties and all kinds of things. It will have really, really kitted out private lesson studios and band studios and a recording studio, and it's gonna be totally badass. Anyways, so we're super excited about that. When it opens, stay tuned, because we won't know that for a little bit. But hopefully we'll have a good sense of that within the next few months. So exactly when the opening date will be. But at any rate, know that BMF Brooklyn will have a grand opening, and we hope that anyone and everyone who wants to party with us in BK will be at the grand opening party. Now, number 2, we had a really, really, really tough 2020, right? As a company, and as a school, I mean, like so many other small businesses around the world, but very much in Brooklyn, we hung on. I mean, honestly, we hung on for dear life, right? So just to be clear, it was a really, really tough year, but we were so, so proud of being able to keep all of our teachers and our staff at BMF. So anybody who wanted to keep working, we made sure they had a job. That is one of the things that Pira and I are most proud of from 2020. So the second thing I want to share with you is we plan on not only continuing with the incredible faculty that we have and the incredible community we have of staff and faculty, but also growing that. So you can expect some new teachers to come on board to BMF in 2021. They may be online only, they may be hybrid online and in-person teachers, or they might be in-person only at our brand new BMF BK location. So that's the second thing. And the third and final thing that we're super excited about, that we're already working really hard on, is BMF TV. Okay, so we spent a lot of time and energy at the beginning of the pandemic investing time and energy into creating really exciting and fun content that would be just basically music games, songwriting games, anything to teach rhythm, harmony, melody, and songwriting. Those are the 4 fluencies we focus on. So we put out 70 videos in 2 weeks last March. Since then, we've put out hundreds more videos, and we've created all kinds of really fun content. And it's all available to you on BMF Connect. And so we're just going to continue doing that. You can expect BMF Connect, our online learning portal, to get better and better and better and be more fun to use for your musical family. So that's the third thing that you can anticipate. A lot more songwriting classes, tons more games for every age, 4 and 5, 6 to 8, 9 to 12, 12 and up, tons of exercises for our older students. That's going to be happening. So that's my update for right now. Expect an online school to continue to thrive at BMF for years to come. Expect a grand opening of a new BK location with all of the things that you loved about our previous locations, and expect way more super fun games and songwriting exercises and things like that to be on BMF Connect for you, so that you as a family in our community will just always have a good reason to make music as a family 7 nights a week. Okay, thanks so much. Look forward to seeing you soon. Reach out anytime. Nate at brooklynmusicfactory.com. Ask me a question. I love hearing from you.